Yeah, it was excellent. Everything was well communicated. I knew what to expect, was well prepared. I think the welcome briefing and then everybody telling a little about themselves was a good way to get started, to get the ball rolling. So we met up with the crew and we sailed 1,353 nautical miles through sun, fog, rain, wind, waves, dolphins, whales, puffins. Fantastic trip.
Really good. So the first thing we did on the boat was a safety brief. He showed us what all the equipment was, made sure we fitted our life jackets. We've got all the really good safety equipment, so AIS and radar and emergency transponders and long-range radios, and there's even trackers in the life jackets if you go overboard. So we've got everything you'd really want or need.
I'm trying to do my own adventure, hopefully, and I thought it was prudent to be under someone's wing like Chris and Natalie that will teach me or guide me and see if I'm made for it. And I think there was one more trip that I would want to take, and then I will be hopefully confident enough to do it.
Equally, lots of really good sailing experience. If I was doing a coastal cruise, we wouldn't have been sailing in the night in the fog, in the cold, we'd be in the pub. So now I have that experience, because you don't have an option in the North Atlantic. Well, yeah, last night we were on the foredeck in the middle of the night, pissing around with the spinnaker pole, because we'd used the pole on the jib, and then the wind wasn't good, so we had to put the jib away and jibe, and then that means you have to pull down, but you have to do it from the front. So it was again a lot of kind of technical stuff in more difficult conditions than you would normally do.
I had a pretty special highlight, I guess. I was allowed to go up the mast. The spinnaker was up and I could climb the mast and spend a half an hour up there. That was my alone time, my me time at sea. That was pretty special. yeah, we always had something to do. And if there's maneuver to do, like a tack or a jibe, or changing the sails.